Today we're updating the old ceiling light fixture in my office with a cool new industrial ceiling light with glass cover. The light comes in a well-padded box to make sure that your product arrives safely. It comes with the base mount, the clear glass cover, the top mount, and hardware. It comes with everything you need to get started with the exception of light bulbs and a screwdriver. So grab those and shut off your electrical to the room you're installing in. Then remove your old light to gain access to your electrical box. Remove the wire caps and separate the wires. Then your light should be able to be removed. Take off your old base plate and you're all ready to go. Take your new mounting plate and secure it down to the electrical box. Then grab your base plate. It's time for some wiring. Undo your wires and prep your cables. Connect the black cable to the black, the white to the white, and the ground to the ground. Screw down your wire caps and tuck the wires back into the electrical box. The base plate then slides onto the ceiling mount. The rod will poke through the base and you can tighten down the knob to lock it into place. Grab the 4 smaller pins and screw those into place. Slide the top ring onto those pins, then connect the longer pins to the small pins to secure that into place. Slide on the glass cover and the bottom frame. Then put on the caps and your new light is installed. Put in some light bulbs, turn your power back on, and you're good to go. I put color changing bulbs in there and I just love the way it looks leaking through the glass. Even the standard color lights look nice, but I've been having fun changing the look and feel of my office with this new light. The black finish and modern design looks so clean, and the glass cover design allows you to get so much light into your room. My old fixture could only hold 1 light and didn't even have a cover, so this has been such an improvement and I couldn't be happier. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm gonna go change the colors in my office some more. See ya!